Hello everyone, my name is Yuntao Zheng, and today I'd like to respond to some criticisms from Shaoxuan Zheng. Here is the first question from Shaoxuan Zheng. In your presentation, you mentioned that an adversary using the first method with epsilon equals 16 could expect that about 2/3 of the images would be top 1 misclassified, and about 1/3 of the images would be top 5 misclassified. What do top 1 and top 5 mean? Here I'd like to explain that when we use inception model as our classifier on the ImageNet dataset, the output is a vector with each element as the possibility of corresponding class. Here top 1 means the predicted class with the highest possibility, and top 5 means the predicted classes with top 5 possibility. And in the presentation, I pointed out that 2/3 of the images would be top 1 misclassified, and about 1/3 of the images would be top 5 misclassified. Here, the number means in this figure, means the accuracy of classification instead of destruction rate. And it's obvious that compared to pushing the true label out of top 5, it's much easier to push the true label out of top 1. Therefore, generally top 1 accuracy is lower than top 5 accuracy. And here comes another question from Shaoxuan Zheng. In your presentation, you mentioned a supplemental chapter in this paper that demonstrates the transfer property of physical adversarial examples. But you also point out the proof of the transfer property could be future work. Are your opinions contradictory to themselves? For this question, I think I have mentioned in my presentation that the experiments conducted by this paper is not sufficient to prove the transfer property of physical adversarial examples because of lack of detailed data. However, the experiments in this work can still give us an intuition that physical adversarial examples can also demonstrate the same transfer property as adversarial examples. And that's all my response to the criticism. Thank you for listening.